tab of Ya's toothpaste. With its soft bristles, the Ya's toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Ya's toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Ya's toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3-variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Wild. Make Ya's toothpaste and Ya's toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start it with a confident smile. Ya's toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
Pogo, na obi ayenko baby na oto do say suma no to say de yenko baby.
Aha, na kasache wadanfo no. Eno say omo no modi sempo. Won pem. Na se wan pedra. Obo baba no, ne dance won ne panim.
Nana, na yenko na mu ko pen ko huni. Ene ni bina bi nanu anu. So be so ko. Edian ko huni ne enu bina. Ebra do like herbal mister. Ewo ho. Diamond scientific herbal for ene de ba. Eye mama drop papa. Adwuma say yes simo adwuma ene sa bon komo ho ban boost immune system we die ko pebi to ba bia tonto adwo pia na nyama ana ko dominance komase na buase kwantempo no so oni abot kale ene de no hwe ne tina sese o bedi wa dance we die nana me dance na turu da ago na Ade Akye muda so da
Ade Akye afeni asori o ene wa man we die me dance what solve the problem na me papa Odi me nko Donate herbal mister eye memedru obi onya finse du wo tonka ho Notre friend 0246 727677 and 0200 844 040 FD ajejo den krato yotu
Nana piafo yi afuye na sadru hobi mu enti wo dwedwe fertilizer afuwe ubeyusu ana esan se afra se fertilizer wo toye amwa wo no na ma wadwuma no anyina eto ape onobaye no antumi anyini na nso do so e ma boka ene atunda fertilizer papa abadwa so de eno ani OCP fertilizer egumu ahodo akuafo a modo enobaye ebitise atoko ajuo emo ene atosode ahodo no omo enkoje OCP MPK 15 ana OCP MPK 10 akuafo a omo so edo legumes ebitise soya beans, peanuts and beans omo so enkoje OCP fertilizer a eye TSP OCP fertilizer ebusu wo babia ye ton ya onyoma e wo man Ghana mu ha enoti atufo enfre 0555 909 437 ana 0555 909 433 OCP fertilizer papa OCP ye jina ho ma Ghana ene Africa yayo
na metesa wo ba no se wo Canada na yesi ajapi aba no so okọ na so no de okoye adwuma
me say amafo kwakọ no enya buru
ya no ho na de wo kosa no
Express Group for ya
Express Group
yes Express Group obia na nya bre pese otukwa kwa ma no de wo be ko simple if you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany, they will take you there. Let's say you visit and I told you we go Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, any Germany nima whatever call. Say you Juma Sua or Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRA, and GMAT, they will assist you to write. Kumase, Asafu Leba, Runabout Wa, and crying, Kanachi First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashibi Goy Filling Station, Suyani, Silver House, our High Court, Tamale, Ayama Building, yeah, Betman Teaching Hospital, Takrade, Market Circle, and our offices, our Mambe, so telephone 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
In this age, reliable and stable power supply is the bedrock of every development. However, a backup plan should always be for every business that wants to try to hit the ceiling. Peggett Engineering and Company Limited offers a plan. They are the importers of brand new original super silent Cummins and Perkins generators from the UK. Peggett is also the sole importer of comfy air conditions that comes with an inverter. At Peggett, we undertake installation and servicing of solar panels, generators, and air conditions with certified ECG installers. Here, everything is done in a professional way. Call now on 0244 599 124 or 0265 468 434. Peggett Engineering and Company Limited. Locators at Ahinsan Kumasi, adjacent the Kumaruman Rural Bank or opposite the China Mall. Peggett Engineering and Company Limited. The entity you can trust.
Se eche amanopei ya trase wade ache bi adwumedie so wo Sompa FM ne Sompa television so ebite samre ya kosise no nkono beba pemu a yebesori ama gudi ma konfona ba be somu no ye magana ache anopei Berende nana Yaw Boamah libia boga metrem dia mama konto manhine yawo adubu ache anopei Jumedie eye kukuwa Veronica Jando akosia somua asante ye bua ya Grace pikinum ena tamechi anopema baby ya wubia ni yetimi aba na yaba besomu. You streaming live where social media platforms ahodo ni nyina so ko Facebook wa Sompa 93.1 FM na YouTube so Sompa TV Ghana. Ensembe bre ni nkomo pinua na wo hono ma no pay ye ba bebi. Enra ebeto dwase kane pani kwanchefo no da gihoga no Honorable Maxwell Kofi Juma Kofi Ghana enra eba beto dwase national security picking up woni fia ewo kumase yese omo kofi ho ena omo ekachire omo fie no mo se omo epeso omo no owura no di nkomo nti owura ne bai ema jese nkomodidie mu na no mo de eye arrest warrant bi on their phone de ekire no nti ho no mo picking up ye source say kire say oko the Ashanti Regional Police Commander Atenaya ho ena omo edene bae lawyers pino a ena akọ no mo a from enra no edbc ena no pay ye tete ne se wono mo epe bill dia mano semne ye bebrebe ebi che se owo gihog no abaja pade bi aba bedi ne nsam kwan a ofa so ma ka bi kura so no enra wo firi ho no mo ebedi ne nsam ni ade ade kese enkomo no edoso anesa ejafe na ebobo ba ye ne de akiri nti Honorable Maxwell Kofi Juma se ye ne mo ekase de owo eye aposifo kukum ene national security mpenimfo kukum ewo eye Kumasi abonten so ye ne de akiri ye beko ya hwese de enkomo no sitie minority MPP fu ewo mrasbe dwafiem de atodwa se omo pese nene kire ya Health Minister Kwabena Minta Kando, Attorney General Dominic Ayeni, and Bank of Ghana Governor, and then it's ya or more Emra Parliament na nchechemu pinwa enomo ebe hia ede Ephraim Rasbigem warm Rasbigem honomo ne nyina eye mpanimfo dwumadi a wo mo edi
University of Ghana after the incident of COVID-19 the University of Ghana have had a course to put out an official release. We want to drive what the country went through sometime. We should make an arrangement and get the minister, the sector minister, the Honorable Akando, to come and do the needful. The minister, we want the PIC executive secretary to be here at the committee of the whole. And then we also left out the BOG. I don't know if it is, I know it's inadvertent. So the BOG boss should also come to the committee of the whole. That's important. Mr. Speaker, you could see from our colleagues when I raised the issue about LGBTQ, now they are going to sleep. Are you in support of LGBTQ? Is it the case that the government now is supporting LGBTQ? Or is it the case that we are not supporting it? Because I am raising a serious matter that 3 days ago, 2 men were kissing at the Independence Square. There are videos and pictures to that effect. And you are pretending as if you haven't seen it. Against this
LGBTQW plus VG ne hwan bebrebe nyina ekuku PM rasbege fiem nte honsam eno no but am for raise concerns say COVID-19 no ade na se didi agro but the rate at which in social say etoto na anu yi se ne esi epeja e Ghana ase ye katakata so no ano edin so beka ya last week University of Ghana de krata ba bonten ema niema pio ho no mo chese ase o mabane public gatherings ni niema bibio ho no ma o mo abane University of Ghana o mo campus no mo ni nyina o mo fi se COVID-19 no rate at which spread o campus no mo no enya asem keto ntama nipa pino afi se ni kwan se you restricting it to your campuses no say University of Ghana na say bia K University na say any other campus bia but enka yen start near mo ho dawro shase burunsuo ntemu a enwe ni ye kokko na manfo bia yen go back to friends say who say nose masks na social distance ne ade ni nyina no enka yen starting ne since ye betena wa mana ba baji ensam eno ho nsam eno nti amade minority ne parliament fi say health minister mramra swege fiem na omechire nsam na crop ya asante kotoko hine so so dia tudwa say odi ho yaw say KNUST hospital wo mo AC mfie du nwotwe 18 years ni na ye hyase still ade no a de esia nesie ohwa no mo akote ayi mortar e de a plaster fan baby na otido no omukọ na ade ne siwa no mo a e na ban bako egusu asom ne so se yeye na omote omonsa de free one mfaso a e de bebro man no enya asem ketwa.
So madam, normally I choose times like this to talk about issues about the university, and I will talk about my teaching hospital. My next teaching hospital is still not finished, even though there has been tremendous progress. And I'm passionate about this project because of the peculiar purpose it is meant to serve. When finished, it will complement the Konvanochi Teaching Hospital in the training of medical and allied health students of NUST. So, Madam Vice President, please impress on His Excellency the President to prioritize this essential project and expedite its completion.
Observant way a crobia sante kotoko hine ena yetene nke we na no memenda wo kwa mikromenso aponimo ena odesanse metudwa na the Vice President of the Republic ho Professor Ginano Poku Ajiman mo no so no ehye crobia sante kotoko hine bo se de wo saban ye bia ema sa hospital no a nisie edi 18 years no wo mo ebe wiate wo mo nsafri hu no wo mo be
spoke about the completion of teaching hospital. That cannot be more important. It's very, very important. And I want to assure you that I take this concern to the President, and I have no doubt that he will take.
Observant the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Professor Jena Nopoku Ajiman, and yetene kanti we Saturday no na Kwame Nkrumah esiapomu ekoso honomo na yenuanom Togo for so no de yetete free honomo nya papa bia de yetete free Togo no enyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenye na eka omo a ebeka yen yetikuremu se yetikuremu de ne nso yenuanom ma yenuanom mema pi yenuanom pinu a ene kotogo ekofa niema ede eba o mayimu sesei mranche de mabawa wo Togo abonten so asore se omompe omoma mpani ne empe ne kina omo so oman no enye fie bi ejapade eno no ne se abedi oman no so benfie aduanan 40 years amono so no aba besuma toa so sesei omo kika ko be system busuan baako ne papa dia be 30 to 40 eno no so aba besumi yesi na anu yakra watena so be 20 years ena wakwa change omo mra bi na mra na okọ change ye no na ke se ekwa kowie se obedi oman no so sa akosi ni wuda sesei political parties a ewo oman ni mu nyina wo mo aguno ama mranche ni fi se debi ukra wote so nyama mu papa bia ena wo de sumo oman no nti ama as a demonstration na soja for no so atiesi wo so siba momu no there's one particular video me share ya young man bi soja for no bonu akosi se obushi wuye very bad we ye the efri Togo eba no asante mama wache na ho ye nyame adum ye the radiase we ye the ebobo bakakra na yate se National Identification Authority adwumayefo no so almost strike no almost suspended or ma suspend ma ehun sensem bebrebe ena buffer stock okay almost statement ni of suspension of strike no nti say na Ghana card akwa kodimu a ene omo so mbekọ adwuma nti Ghana card for no a omo call strike say last week nyina no more strike nti ene de omo so omo strike no omo atwa sensen nti ene omo bekọ adwuma nti se wo Ghana card ya ene oburu omo offices ono a omo ewo hon mo besomo anopai ena there's this gentleman asante Hanan Wahab no da is it buffer stock no na CEO of buffer stock you see Yokufu ache no since last week nyina no so yesi ni bill na kwete se untumi de na bi sika omode ato no so no no kra de so o ma chena yire nyina aka ho o ma chena yire nyina aka ho na o ma mani bill na bail condition no eche untumi de no esi bail condition no eche untumi de no ona buffer stock omo chenua nema schools no aban schools no aha Hanan Wahab sana matiese omo amani bebe ni de omo de amanu
yes isika no mo twa
mo ene niema japade a wo so ukofa ban sana ye jawa mo akono ese eche wuntumi de no
yeah me o ma mekwanya me shaase a me duwe ni ehonabo masoko juma de na
yes
me gidi say on say minim say omo contribution in the MPP no na bia MPP for no say is it relevant to them because won't me they will have mass up trying to do anything legally or illegally for their release.
Won't me no original chairman chairman of the stronghold of the party so mbe amaso omo Arsenal nyina to get him out or so omo ye
selective share. Honorable Kufujima was a former mayor, former MP. What do you say?
Former mayor and former MP, they so di numeribi.
And I mean, can say he has contributed to the party. Madam Matoido Bitima.
Yes, Hanan. Yes. Minimum.
And Sekoba say when the party becomes so silent, it gives the authority.
Party ninye silent too. Mahuso omo kasa.
Kasa in terms of you say anu
the way we see here untumi de no ebi a party ni feel said this time ebi a untumi de ne ko overboard say ye be ko from a submarine so won be twetwe homa no submarine dan say e be sa afenyo ne MPC ko tena kwa ho na weetwe ha na asante untumi de ko yi na e papa edu ba bi na omode chere popularity flag bearer hopefuls no edu baby na say obi ade ase obi ade ba beton no ewi ase untumi demu atwa wabra na bia ekomu ko normal ade bia nka untumi pie ntem
me be me say o de enye se untumi de no kwa na ali they should show a little sign of commitment say as a nya omo because the moment na obeja ne say no say wodam nyina ya meet be condition nyina
asante yesi ebi o so ase udidi ye no ma bi no mu bi di ya eka boys no koma ba kwa me MPP no mo koma bo mo ho ano aba ebe koma o say bia udidi ye no ma ameyen
say na ko udidi o mo bi di
udidi no ma mbia di enti wonko yeso wonko di a wonko fe so hu enti we so onunku na di ya onunku na afie
buffer stock de na nsem ho pipa be ko ba adwen ha adwen se bebi na idu na say aduane no aban is ebisi bi o so school we se mi wo teachire we se mi ni gare fa gare be je teachire fa beans be je no ko nsem be by the last 1 year of it but ko fi juma de ni dem ji say we no mega se be mega long overdue because be 2 months ago we say make keep public statement about say yes in the cast we no or to be money
or to be gugu mu
car no dey say who be but on and be the many say at least they have taken his age
say weekend bia say every Friday bia
na your
man is be say 20,000 or say no 40,000 no dey akodi weekend every Friday
yeah the man say nipa na demand so won so wo ye dey say na on nipa ko demand
ba say asante ye benefit wo so onya so so a
ntimi nipa na demand no
e kan conditions ya o dey ye adwuma no ho a say ntimi blame no
say na man be mama ka say wakoto application abo kan dia say
application say izu short a izu de be frame short a nye ka de be ba
anu dia
izu de be frame short a
na dia na no o hen dia na no wakafa ayi
KNUST, yes.
But that hospital, baby, every morning, and every time, me for hoku.
Yeah.
During the last 1.5 years, there has been a little, make us say, progressively.
Me kai Samre na John Kuma tiase no. John Kuma as deputy finance minister of Fato no so say they also mu ye bia complete sa hospital no. And so we as our time na time bia wo betwa me a contractor no e wo ho a omu ye bibi kakra.
But
ebaya momo bebo so
7 months
yes
on say edu last 7 months na say government attention na ko agenda friends agenda
111 yeah
and we no dey na me
omu kra
but yeah in terms of physical structure pass any dey make my guy say omo
page si ho
kama yeah so omo to wala fa ho a wo no monto ye physical structure dey so kama any bia kama machines ni ade na how was omu wi a yeah the beboa kumase paramata education is on say enkran ye wo Kwalebu teaching hospital
yes
37 military hospital omo other allied hospitals
Range hospital yes
but kumase de eno no ko no chi ni
police hospital one crime ni nyina ye ni da so nyina ne konfa no chi
and it's afare so virtually
afare dey me atese yes this year December so mo operatives dey
ena ayi so we asu die so
se wi ade edu ba bi ese transformer ebi so chese kwan e wo so mu yi etu ba bi ebi chese emfa nkoto akire ebi si emfa nto animu ena ade na anya
mfanto kwan e deji so enti isa hospital ya na ohin kan wasim e ade asempe no 40 na mo e bia omo wi aya
don kuma tiase no meti bibi se yese sika no omode wie omode be si hospital no o making sure say omo be ye free Bank of Ghana coffers mu no mo dia beto KNUST omo account mu na the vice chancellor ene nipa bi no mo aye signatories to the account say contractor na bia oye adwuma ne de be si hase a mon sign say na mon fama no oye de be si say a mon sign minim say sika ne say a free account no mo say ankote say na yesite no a
ya na make hospital no almost in say emergency
yes pa onam na ase unse onam ayi buadi ho a KNUST senior high school na uhu se ewo honom nti uhu soro no kakra de kodi hu design no
nti no we dey kekọ animu a benefo kekọ ma emabu no bebe omu usua de say KNUST campus or more laboratory was any
tech hospital here wo tech junction ho kakra yi enua o na esa so we say ehwe students ne to nchene a yo nipa bebre omoti around tech eti your friend say bomb so ne ade omo ba hospital ho no mo so hu me kai say was it say can 208 say ne one of the referral centers se koba say bi omunya problem bi e wo stadium ne any of the guests beba no omunya problem bi a omo ede ne beko eno kra kitikiti no ai so ho kakra bi no ena na eye wi nti se nkomo wie na kese no eye ya pa
because ya he na madam make say asem say anwagaja anhye ya make say ya the media facility I take
yeah
you say omutimi we teaching hospital na omutimi because ufiri anwagaja anhye ba konfanochia
emutwe sense ufiri anwagaja anhye na ekote
enema bi wo ha ya muma yemwa
na zanti say basa even from ejoso dey ben na yes ejoso or government hospital there but ebi ebeti overload ni ade
so even audio side one so
nyina pia bi wan nyina be connect ya ba normal so ni
the hospital kokobeni apia du the government hospital agena 11 say virtually is completed
say no so no na ba kwa na nado yes
one of the centers
no mo dey omo pretty
say is aka facilities enema aka
na say ade na so omo wi omo mfa kade nyina
machines ngum. If you commission only the
commissioner, say hospital.
No. Most of them they are at different stage of completion.
Okay.
Or some community name cry dey. Any health officers. Until you can say nurses for no. Say abaye say name we nyina they can all be getting jobs. Say Boamah name pia koso nti. And opere dey na can. One man say for no chedu maybe no. E say bebe dwiri maternity blog ni see ya. E say esi ye.
E say dan na yemre. Ye betena wa dan ye di 18 years. You wan here yenkwa nkoduru ba bi ni ye say blog no ne ho ahwan na ayemre. Nti yemu ni nyina ngu ni yesa so nsiri foforo. Na sabi ade ye ni na eni behi. Nti at least omomoa na we the vice president what yes and wase bosse omobesum na omaye edan ne de ba bi aduro ne de ye be kan say dodo na de omo ya ne sa and ehye campus ni mu say free KNUST senior high school e ba nyina omato wall say wall bi wo hwa nti we kra den kehye inside the one here say we are also to another war bia
don't pe bia say campus mo wan sase ya na o papa ko adamfo no
den
kemiswati
oko memene dan right after KNUST program na no na okoye
ba manage pa yekumu wi no video say ya gesi menye bi na wo sano oni na ohin sano
oni ohine no ohine eche no
ache na life no na baby say na me fe cry ohine ba no ne
Kenswati baba no yes na ono so kire no na obusa say are you okay na say oche no odenensa ene ne nine no oye ni say no ono so say na ojum say ante boy pa wo
so ene
Kenswati yere no na yere ne de otum so onya de kora won ne steps no won say do baby na ni kunu ne ohene steps no na ekoba but Kenswati yere ne Lady Julia de ne de Lady Julia try but won say maame no so ebro ni o so e dey won say bro abro so e ba no beat ne sound no so mo ye na baby na mo sani biara edu baby na otum say me am say me am say oh yama Lady Julia bre mami yama
it was interesting
yes
I was very happy for the press
yes
and the way many German say imagine say
when Ajama the prince of Asantuma
yes you all say
na Osia the princess of Eswatini
and na the American answer when boni bia say ni papa yo hina wo no
yes obinya say bia
anko be
bi
what you say nka wo ne e wo say nka wo so ni beji tina me ka man for ka say na na papa be the president also be the president it's a part ya wo what say be isiesu no tintin dia wo nchen ye dia wo be dia aboa wo manfo maybe do cry me say ya wo na wo say maybe otimi boa kan wesi for mabru dia minim say no more can those days no say what camp nyina no otimi eboa mabru ni bi no
there be nyon wa
enti no Oma unya dibre na de boa wo manfo na di panya dibie no so mfa so development and I'm happy for young guy and so we are now almost as we call amononi okoko sua abodi bi no abodi hwemu no
yes okoye BBB Murphy yes America omama no yes
the normal system of human development
and the grooming no the grooming no ohe like can no mususa enti na yenhu omo abonten pc ene ya omo nyinyini baya omo wiewie school no ena ye start ehu omo wa abonten omo ne omo papa omo ne omo maame ye benya more of them
on say ye ha na ye rare situation ukwa wika omotimi ayesa who is next in line
yes omaya we ye hwan next in there next in one by yesu se de ne ye different kakra so ho ye de no ne UK de no ye different kakra nya se chenchire bi a o papa ebedi santehene a yes ye de ne ye eja ye di na de nti senka bi a prince say senka ebia ne maame ene ye ohima enka definitely he is in line to become the next ebia santehene so hu and say ne Anthony santehema
but I give him social media nura say among one papa ne mama hwana no was said means we na monitor say
but I say oba ne mum se ne papa pa na be ma ne so se ne mama pa say o have pictures na
so baby so say ne papa o picture entina na me ga say be man picture beto na it was
me dey baby me hu omu ye pa ye na so omu ye Vodafone Golf bibi wo eyi ho na omu wie na ohene te ho na efia kubiti ne left say na come twi so ete ne right say no mu twa picture no hu say kai we dey copy and paste straight photocopy straight copy and paste pe photocopy pa na ete ho no nen eye si ehu omu ewa bonten na mekai se na school we de wo Santase kwam o ko boase a say friend say ICS no mu di o anniversary bi me hu say education minister ba ho no mo me hu say prince ho no mo so your classmate
is it
so your classmate or your down for
the relations and around
one ne kwa sorry you start creating that rapport. You see, I thought that good classmate you as a good classmate.
Weekend you could have sabotage your cry a appointment regards to almost Wenger.
Yes. Ne suffer.
When cancel whatever.
Yes, on the year a council chairman Ghana Immigration Service. The Ghana Immigration Service board no on the year chairman Edano Reverend Dr. Steve Wingam. Assemblies of God so for penny na president kwa sorry and he say president ama ne sofo appointment ya we ebony asante we ebony
me dear
what is say asante we me classmate na nyame ya madon ma be president na me your minister of information which ebia you qualify eba certificate bibia brabo bibia you qualify bani e wo me dey say kobase ebia won qualify there. Any reason
cause say na kwase nipa bi so qualify ena ya na say nyame nkwa na me qualify
because Steven Gam
wadan for me mintina
yes
what you say e bia ya omo tese ase omampanyin mama kwa no first term kwa na osaye
no a prisons council ona na ye board chair of Ghana Prison Service council no ena enei second term wabe no Ghana Immigration papa no minim se bia wodi police those wodi why security mind dadia because baby a why bia is into the security nti omomunim Reverend Steve Wingam no omomi ehun ni ye say bia no ye ex military officer or ye ex police officer or ye ex fire service and say bia ex prison officer na say bibia omomi ehun die nti a President Mahama the first time no ye prisons council board chairman and second term waba be Ghana Immigration Service board chairman ebi o speciality bi aye nim omo me hu na so hu sa niema we na me expect kra say muntake so omo in no nke bia nka papa no na yi kakra be ba bonten credentials kakra na nke bia manfo ate ase so oh okay aside so we sofo no this is the background so e basa e kanipa bia no tum e kele nkomo bia manfo be didi no akire ni ade ade
no kra ne say e basa memory ubu ni ya appoint aba Ghana for head am ma dwun ko so
debi so ye wadanfo so ye osofo so ye wi imam
tena na kufu ade ni nuanum sati Ghana for ni peba when it begins to crunch say anyama ha say ya ade bia nya asem ko na
second of reata no wati we ya na ade no difa no
nobody complain
by nwe ne se no
na anyama ne say no na anyama bi kwa na won't you say a man for cry because we say o man payi na dangwa kufuado nasi ni ase ya chini
nasi ni Max Okufiduma ni ya chini
do you see this thing yeah enti nasi into the position man say we deserve an answer your party back
so say odika de Max Okufiduma ansa na Okufiduma ba boy na be ware akufuado ba girl no
no cresa
so
no cresa
o man appointment na ansa ba manfo so beka se bia se na o mo sese ho twempana ni mu a
enti no me aba say na Yaw Boamah o MPP ni since 22 ne papa ne maame na busuanfo ato aba ma MPP NDC sa even me position so kra wo ye mfa no ko baby ada
wo chima kra mo ma ne bi eni wo ayi party ni mu aba mu
wa da so tuma mo na so no emre bia position yon beche bia na obi wo ho a what the politics na ye career politics on here say one no obey wiase obey minister for minister ebia deputy minister previous administration aban akwatra 8 years ba no say be substantive na fe wo man do ye no minister that then no ko board
wasa ko board
no ko we sa anti party money bi wo ha o mo deserve another
do mama ba ye na okuje to say first no deputy minister is about being minister
almost as say wa mature wantino
1990 nya ni pa foforo bi am no so medi minister ni bi mo no so ye die ni bi nko na busuam
that's my point because we MP and e ba sana say enyema no ejina fa ko sa na etwa no ba ye bia obi so wo baby na nka ya ponte no with the same competence na nka ya spreading the wealth of the state by commerce ni pa kakra na na I say
Matias Anti yankofa sports ne mra na yebesa so aba na yaba beto nkomo no aso sports team ni so mato aso